Maury. My name is Shakiki Alize, that bitch Johnson, and I'm here because my baby father TRAVON is denying my baby. Let's get to that, period. You know, I'm a fucking lady, and I don't know why TRAVON denying my baby. I met TRAVON one night. I posted up, who up, you know, in the middle of the night on Facebook. TRAVON liked it. So then he hopped in my inbox. And then we got to talking from there. He asked me, did I want a bumper Coke? And he asked me, did I want a 2 for $5? And I said, yeah, what's up with it? And he pulled up. He pulled up with the Coke, he pulled up with some rag, and he pulled up with the 2 for $5. Then after that, he just stole my heart. And we got the popping. It just got the popping for us. You know, and TRAVON, you know, that nigga caps a lot. He caps a lot, Maury. He be on Facebook talking about he don't fuck with fat bitches. Maury, that's a lie. That's a lie. TRAVON fuck with fat bitches. Stop acting like you on Facebook Friday like you don't fuck with fat bitches, TRAVON. Maury, you see my beautiful baby. TRAVON, how could you deny a baby so fucking beautiful? But Maury, he wasn't even there for Patroniana, Hennessy, fucking Sriracha, that little bitch Johnson, first lace front. Maury, look at my baby. She beautiful with her first lace front. And TRAVON, you wasn't even fucking there. You scumbag. You wasn't there for Patroniana first lace front. You scumbag. Now you denying my baby like you denied that fucking Cuban link you be wearing fake as fuck, turning your neck green, TRAVON. You denying my baby. You denying my baby. Patroniana don't deserve this, Maury. Patroniana don't deserve my baby cold as fuck. Look at her. Look at her. And she look just like you. So, Maury, when the results come back that TRAVON, you are the father of Patroniana,